Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marcus and today I am going to unbox another wishlist plant. And yes, I know it's been a while since I uploaded a new video, but here we are, I am back and here it is. It's so huge, you guys. This is humongous. Okay, so this has been a wishlist plant for me in my houseplant collection for so long. Like, it's in my wish list for quite some time, you guys. And remember, I had a video where I'm saying I had a list of plants that I wanted to purchase and get for myself over time, and this is actually one of them. And yeah, this here would be a surprise. So it's a massive box, you guys. It is massive. So yeah, let's see what do we have in here. Let's just start cutting this plant open with my trusty old blade. And yeah, I'm just gonna slice this open. And yes, I got this plant from the same seller, Librodesa. I absolutely love these products. It is very worth the money and also worth the plant because it comes in good condition. And it's just absolutely fantastic. Look at the packing peanuts. Hold on. Look at the amount of packing peanuts there is. I've never seen someone use packing peanuts, but here we are with these packing peanuts. Okay, so this is my wishlist plant, and this here, drum roll, is a huge pot of Philodendron Mamei, and I'm going to open it up for you guys. And oh my gosh, this is massive. So that's how secure it is. But yeah, I'm just gonna open it up. I'm just gonna open this up slowly and hope that I don't damage anything. So I got this plant for a very good price as well, and it is massive. I thought it was smaller, but it is huge. It's a 2-leaf cutting Philodendron Mamei, and there's soil flying everywhere on my face. So that's fun. But yeah, you guys, look at this. Isn't she gorgeous? So this is a Philodendron Mamei Silver. As you can see, this is the brand new leaf. It's still very small. This is the original leaf right here. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm not sure if you could actually see the silvery patches. Let me put closer. So those are the Philodendron Mamei Silver. So you could see the silver speckings on it, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love it. So yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. I can't stop talking about it. It's so pretty. So as you know, I am a houseplant collector, and I am just collecting a majority on philodendrons, and I really love these crawlers a lot. I do love like the billieti, I do love belly marks, I do love the atataboenses and stuff, but I prefer the crawlers because you don't really need a moss pole for them. You just need a long pot, which I could find a long pot around my community shopping malls and etc. pretty easily. And if I could not, I could just buy it from online. I don't really need moss poles for it because they don't climb. They are crawlers. They're crawlers, and yeah, they're just pretty neat plants that I absolutely appreciate because I would not say I'm lazy to do a moss pole, but like I prefer to do one without using a moss pole because a moss pole could be very messy, and I just don't really like the mess that it causes. But look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. And it did kind of like flop around, so the roots is not really in there, but let me just shake some soil back in. Alright, I'm just gonna get myself a skewer and I'll be right back. Alright, so I have the skewers poked in here, and you guys, I can't stop admiring it. It's so beautiful. The leaves are so big and heart-shaped. I just love these heart-shaped philodendrons. That's the reason why I like them in the first place, because they are heart shapes. And I also want to slowly go into anthuriums in the future because they are also heart shapes. But yeah, it's such a beautiful plant. So like I said, Philodendron Mamei silver is also a crawler. And they prefer to crawl on top of the surface of the soil, and they do not like their stems to be submerged under, so that you would prevent it from rotting, and you do not want that to happen. But look at this. So what I did is basically I just poked 2 skewers just to hold it up standing, and I tied a little string on it, that way it would stay put. And yeah, it just looks so fantastic, you guys. Isn't it gorgeous? Hold on. If I just turn that away, you could see the silverish. I'm not sure if you really could see it, but you could see it. You could see the splotches of silver. Absolutely gorgeous. So it will grow way bigger, and I can't wait for this to grow even bigger for me. Oh my gosh. And this is a brand new leaf, and it has a little bit of spot variegation as well. You could see a little speck of variegation, and yeah, it's just beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. I just love this. This is the brand new leaf. This is the first leaf. So yeah, let's just clean up this entire area, because like there's a lot of things happening in front of me right now, as you guys could see. This is the box. Alrighty, so it's been a hot minute, you guys. Here's the plant right now. So I recorded those previous clips from July 7th, and now it's already 2nd of August. So it's been a month, you guys. It's been a hot minute that I have uploaded a video, but here we are. So this is the leaf that you saw in the previous clip, that it looks a little bit fresh out from its caterpillar, and it officially had hardened off. And you guys, it's so perfect. Like the heart shape of this is just fantastic. Like it looks like a perfect heart. Let me just put my face away so you guys can focus on this plant, and look at the leaf. It's big, it's huge. It's the size of my entire hand, in fact bigger. So this is the first leaf that it's having. Absolutely love it. It does have a little bit of blemishes. So yeah, it is a very nice plant. This is actually, like I said before, it's my wish list plant, and a lot has happened. You know, college life, assignments, and now I have another humidifier just to have more humidity for the other plants in my shelf. And yes, we have a shelf as well. I am going to make a video about this soon. It's going to be interesting because it took me a hot minute to actually fix this entire shelf area. And yeah, there's just a lot of things happening right now, but I will be sure to upload more videos if I can. But yeah, I just want you guys to just admire this. Take a look at that beauty. Okay, just take it in. Just love this, okay? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of this Philodendron Mamei, and I will see you guys soon in the next video. Bye!